Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. We'll be taking a brief look at how gold price will move on the higher time frames for the week. We are currently on the daily time frame, and using the pivot analysis, we have the pivot line at 2428.14. We have the first resistance at 2439.62. and we have the first support at 2419.32. So when market opens, whichever side the market opens plays a major role. If the market opens at the top of the pivot, we expect price to either test the first resistance before dropping to test the pivot, and possibly dropping to test the support. But if market opens below the pivot, we expect price to test the support, then crosses above the pivot to test the resistance and continues to go up. But that is with respect to pivot analysis, where whichever direction the market opens is going to test the two boundaries. Now, looking at the monthly time frame, what can we see on the monthly time frame? The price of gold is currently bullish on the monthly time frame. Right, we expect market price to continue to go up. The price dropped as low as 2363 at the beginning of the month. Now price has retraced back to almost the opening price. All right, so we expect price to end up the current month in a bullish candle. But aside that, you can see that price has tested this particular order block around here, this very order block that price left behind has briefly been tested. So we expect price to continue to go up. Initially, we expect price to break the order block and possibly drop to this very order block, but it appears that with the way market price is moving, price is going to continue its way up, possibly to the 2500 level, 2500 level for this particular month. But let's see how it goes. But overall, the direction is still bullish, and market price is respecting the ascending trend line. All right, so if market price is able to break below this trend line, we have other trend lines in place, like this another trend line that might serve as support to price. Price could find support here, and if that breaks, price could find support at this particular trend line. But for now, the overall direction is bullish. Let's take a look at what price is saying on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price is moving upward. We have the lower channel around here. Okay, these are the lower channel boundary, and this is the higher channel boundary. So we have like a triangle, but pointing upwards. So we expect price to find its way to the upper channel, upper boundary of the channel, possibly drop to the lower boundary if range is to continue, and then break higher. All right, we expect price to break higher. We expect the bullish momentum to continue, but what is currently happening around here is a range. Market price is ranging, and the buyers are in control. So a break above this range, we expect the buyers to continue to push price above. But if that fails, we have some particular point where, or levels where we expect price to get to. Price might possibly get to the lower part of the range low around the 2309 level, and if that breaks, we might expect price to drop to this particular order block around here where we have this support that is at the 2165 level, and we have another position, another point around here where we have another order block that is 2007 level. So that is if price is going to drop, but for now price is targeting the all-time high. The all-time high level is at 2484 level. A break above that level, we might see price continue to go up. All right, but the overall direction on the weekly time frame shows that price is bullish. Now let's quickly take a look at the daily time frame. We've analyzed the direction, we've done analysis on pivot on the daily time frame, but let's quickly look at what price is saying on the daily time frame. We have this particular trend line, ascending trend line around here, and we have another trend line around here. This is the upper channel, this is the lower boundary of the channel. Now we expect price to continue its way up, but before getting to the top, to this particular top, there appears to be another trend line around here with respect to this high and this test. So we might see price testing this particular trend line. It's a possibility, and I might see price dipping to the lower trend line around here. Now if price gets to this point, either of two things might happen. Price might continue its range, or price might possibly drop. Now if price drops, we have this particular boundary around here that might serve as support. A break below that boundary, we have another boundary around here that might serve as support. But for now, price of gold is strong and it's going up. Momentum is to the top side. A further drop below this low, all right, we might see price on the daily time frame dropping to this low. All right, but that's as far as it might go on the daily time frame. I'm talking about 2170. First to 2287, then possibly 2170 level. That's if price of gold is going to drop. But price of gold needs to contend with this low first before dropping. We have this particular low at the 2362 level. Price needs to break below that level before dropping towards this particular low. But for now, price going back up. Price is in a range. The buyers and the sellers are kind of happy with one another, and the range seems to be going fine. The top of the range is around here. All right, a break above this top, but I see price testing the upper trend line around here. Now that's that for the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame and look at what we might likely expect before rounding up this particular video. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price formed a inverted head and shoulder around this particular point. We have inverted head and shoulder formation around this point. Okay, and we can see triple bottom. Price form triple bottom around this point as well. We have a triple bottom around this point, so we might see price getting to this particular region. I see price getting to this region, possibly dropping and forming another triple bottom or possibly inverted head and shoulder around here before finally going up. It's a possibility, leaving us with inverted head and shoulder or overall triple bottom on the 4-hour time frame before we might possibly see an upside. But for now, price of gold is ranging, and the overall direction is likely to the top side. But for now, it's advisable to sell at the top of the range and buy at the bottom. Now for the bottom part, we can see that price is moving in an ascending manner, so you might want to push up your buy limit orders higher before price moves, before the train moves. So that's that for today's analysis on the higher time frame of what to expect for the week as regards the price of gold. If you like the channel, why don't you go ahead and smash the like button for the video. Click the subscribe button if you're here to subscribe. Thank you to our current subscribers. Drop comment below the video, ask questions. Try as much as possible to respond to your questions. We have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit our website to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.